Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sort your date column like a pro in Power BI. Here you can see I have this practice visual here, and you can see from this practice visual we have April 2014 coming first and September 2014 coming last, and in between you can see we have things like December 2013, we have November 2013 coming in between. I want to actually sort this to follow the order in which the dates are actually arranged. So I have this calendar table here that I created from the original date column in the financial data, which is just like the minimum date and the maximum date, and I kind of join it back to the date column in the model so we can map it back. So if we come to the table view here, you can see this is the original date column that was generated from the calendar, and I added two extra formatted columns, which is picking the month and joining it with the last two values of the year, and I also picked the month and joined it with the full year. So this is the one that I actually used on the visual, and you can see here if I click on it and open this calendar table here, you can see this one I used on the visual, but it's not actually giving me the way it's supposed to be. So how do we resolve this particular issue? Well, most times when you're trying to sort a column in a calendar column, when you're trying to sort a date column in Power BI, it gives you an error such as taking more than one value for this particular value. And well, this particular method that I'm showing you guys here work for any kind of error at all that you are having in Power BI. So what you need to do is, like I say, irrespective of how your column is formatted. So what you need to do is you have to create like a numeric format of the same month and year column here. I'm going to show you guys in just a second. So I'll add another extra columns in this table here, and let's call this sort. And here I'm just going to format the same date column that created the month and the year, and in the format I'm going to just get the numeric format. So I told you guys that what we need to get is a numeric format, and here you can see I have this 13 here represent the year, the last two values from the year, which is 2013, and this 09 here represent the month, which is September from this, and the same numbers are being picked from every year in the rows. So this is what we're going to use to sort any kind of column here in this calendar table. So I'm going to come back to this original column that we're trying to sort, and I'll click on this sort by column, and I'll sort it by the sort column that we created, and you can see that's work fine. So we'll come back here, you can see that particular problem has been resolved, and you can see we have September 2013 coming first and December 2014 coming last, and actually sort it by the year. So if this video helps you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it to your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.